do the 7 points if you want to get A on PSYC for your national examination. Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Lisa and I was a former grade A student on Cambodian national examination. So for Cambodian national examination, there are 7 subjects, and for PSYC, I got A on this subject as well. So whether it is PSYC or any other subject, if you want to get A on all of the subject, you have to do all of the exercises and answer all of the questions, and you cannot even skip one exercise or one question. If you want to get A, you have to do all of it. If you skip, they will minus your score. So back then for my PSYC exam, I did all of it and I did not even skip one exercise or one answer. I did all of it and I did even believe in my ability that I did it correctly, especially about the calculating, because I checked it so many times, and that's why I got A on this subject. And not only this subject, if you want to get A on any subject, you have to do all of it and you cannot even skip one exercise or one question. We all know that for PSYC exam or national examination, there are 2 sections. One is the question section and the other one is the PSYC exercises section. So first, let's talk about the question section.
បងប្អូនថ្នាក់ទី12ទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំក៏កំពុងតែមានបើកវគ្គបំពន់ភាសាអង់គ្លេសថ្នាក់ទី12តាមអនឡាញដែលផ្ដោតយកនីតិល្អគឺនីតិ A ផងដែរហើយចំពោះការបរៀនវិញគឺខ្ញុំនឹងផ្ដោតសំខាន់ទៅលើ4ផ្នែកនៃវិញ្ញាសាភាសាអង់គ្លេសតែម្ដងដែលមានដូចជា reading, grammar, vocabulary និង writing ហើយពួកយើងក៏នឹងហ្វឹកហាត់ធ្វើវិញ្ញាសាភាសាអង់គ្លេសក៏ដូចជានឹងលើកទឹកចិត្តឲ្យបងប្អូនសម្រាប់គោលដៅយកនីតិល្អផងដែរហើយចំពោះកាលវិភាគនៃការសិក្សាវិញគឺយើងនឹងសិក្សាចាប់ពីថ្ងៃច័ន្ទរហូតដល់ថ្ងៃសុក្រចំពោះតម្លៃសិក្សាគឺ$20ក្នុងមួយខែប៉ុន្តែសម្រាប់50នាក់ដំបូងគឺត្រឹមតែ$10ក្នុងមួយខែប៉ុណ្ណោះគឺ discount ចំនួន 50% ណាអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ព័ត៌មានបន្ថែមបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាអាច scan តាមរយៈ QR នឹងក៏បានឬក៏ចុច link ខាងលើក៏បានដែរអញ្ចឹងជួបគ្នាឆាប់ៗណា
Back when I was in high school, I was studying part-time on this subject, so I got all of the PSYC questions from my teacher. And I do believe that there are 84 Q&A on the paper. And I'm really sorry that I cannot share it with you guys because I could not find the paper, everyone. I could not find it. But I can say that all of the PSYC questions that I got pasted on the national examination were from the 84 Q&A of PSYC that I got from my teacher. I can say that the 84 Q&A of PSYC are included all of the PSYC question from all of the lesson, and I remember all of it. That's why I got A on this subject, because I could answer all of the PSYC questions. So I think some of you are studying part-time on this subject. Your teacher probably gave you the PSYC Q&A, but if you are a self-study student, you can find the question on the internet. You can just type PSYC question for national examination and there are many videos about it, so you can write the Q&A down and then you can recite or memorize it. And one more thing is that you can actually find the question in P6 course book as well. And so don't overlook P6 question guide. You have to do it all if you want to get A. Now let's talk about ways to memorize P6 question. And this is our second point. So I've talked about this point a lot, but in Khmer language mostly. And the way that I memorize P6 question is that I record all of the questions and answer in my phone. And after I record it, I listen and I repeat after. I repeat after the recording till I repeat faster than the original one. So when you repeat, it's like you're reading, but you're reading without looking at any questions or papers. You repeat by listening. And actually, you can do this anytime and anywhere as well, even in the bathroom, because you don't need to bring your books or your papers with you. You can just bring your phone and listen to it. So this tip helped me a lot. So you should try this one. And the third point is to know when you should memorize your questions or lesson. This just means know your time. If you do better in the morning, then memorize your question or lesson in the morning. If you do better at night, then memorize your question or lesson at night. And for me, I do better in the morning, so I memorize my question and my lesson in the morning. But at night, I just repeat after the recording, and that's how I do it. And for more information, you should memorize all of the PC question from all of the question sample and any other question you can find that are related to national examination as well. Let's move on to the second section is PSYC exercises. We all know that in order for us to do all of the PSYC exercises, we have to understand all of the PSYC lesson. So the first point is to know your weakness. You have to know which PSYC lesson that you don't quite understand, and for you to know it, you have to do the exercise from each and every lessons of PSYC. And if you can't solve the PSYC question from maybe around 1 or 2 lessons, that means you don't quite understand on those specific lessons, so you have to work hard on those lessons, and you should put more effort into it before national examination as well, or else you cannot do it when the exam day arrives. The second point is to solve physics problem till it become a piece of cake to you. In order for us to be good at something, we have to practice, practice, and practice. So as physics subject, we have to solve all of the sample or physics problem from all of the previous years and any other problem that we can find in books and on the internet as well. When you see physics problem, don't turn it down, don't scroll it away. You should run to it and solve it right away. This will help you on your exam day, and do not forget to have a timetable for your study as well. So then you will know how many physics problem that you will have to solve per day. Next point is to solve physics problem till you remember all of the formula. For example, like PV equal NT. So when we have to find T, what will the formula be? We have to understand how the formula works, and we have to know how to break it down. If you don't know how to break it down yet, you can learn it from the internet, your friends, or perhaps your teacher. And if you want all of the physics formula of grade 12, you can join the Telegram group of National Examinations of 2023, because I did share all of my document that related to the exam in that group as well. Link is in the description, and you can thank me later. And the last point is to practice. Practice answering all of the PC question and solving all of the PC exercises as well. And do not forget to limit the time. Practice like you're in the real national examination yourself. Limit your time and see in 1 hour and a half can you do all of the exercises and all of the questions. But before you do it, don't forget to read it first and try to understand the problem. If you do it on time, that's when you're good to go. But if you do not do it on time, that's when you have a lot of work to do. That's it for my video today, guys. Wishing you all the best on national examination. And do not forget to work hard on it as well. You just have to take action. And if you want to be an outstanding student, act like one. All the best, and until next time.